So this year I was given the awesome opportunity to showcase my builds during Science Alive in Adelaide. Science Alive is a yearly show held at the Adelaide Convention Centre. It's one of the biggest science shows in the Southern Hemisphere, where a whole lot of companies, organisations, and some individuals get together to help generate interest in science and technology. This video hopefully will show you some of the builds that I was able to demonstrate out for the public over the course of 3 days. I hope you enjoy it. I showcased only a small selection of my builds because I couldn't fit everything in the car, but here are some of the high points. Here's my Pip-Boy machine, my robotic crawler, Sonic skateboard toy, also demonstrated my robot dog for the first time, along with the robot scorpion, and also my new Model T Ford, and of course my dancing robot. R2-D2 was the star appearance and did gain a lot of attraction from the crowd. It was good to see that the kids and adults alike were interested in these builds, mainly because they were scratch built. The event was held over 3 days, and my purpose was just to generate interest in hand-built items and also to increase exposure to my channel as well. Like I mentioned before, the props that I built, especially R2-D2, did get a lot of attention from both Star Wars fans and those dressed up in Star Wars attire as well. A lot of attention. The kids, adults alike, seem to like the animatronics, so any robot that moved or could produce bubbles or has lights was of interest as well. Some of the more technologically sophisticated ones were also of interest, like this Nerf turret. Needless to say, most of my promotional items were exhausted. That included pens, stickers and brochures. As far as advertising is concerned, I really should have focused my attention on getting more people to subscribe as well. However, that is my focus for the next Science Alive or next exhibition. The good news is people were quite impressed with some of the builds that I had as well, especially ones where the kids were excited and or captivated. So I have a lot more projects that I want to take you through as well. Some of the projects I demonstrated at Science Alive have not been documented yet, and I'm also working on a few things on the side here as well. So between that work and some time overseas, I haven't been able to post any new videos. So I really want to thank you for tuning in this whole time, and hope to see you next time. Thank you.